Bangalore, I think you are new to Bangalore, I guess. The director is from Kerala and you are from Mumbai. So how did this connection happen and why you thought of doing a movie in Kannada itself?
So to be honest, this story based in Bangalore, right? And I have been in an association with Pratik from long time. So then we decided to go with this story particularly because this is true story and we were liking it from the last 2 years. So I thought we should go with this story.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
why you have decided.
So I have a root of Gujarat also. matlab I am in Bangalore, but I am from Gujarat.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's
So it's
nice.
a pan-India film altogether. matlab Like
Yeah,
we
we
have
can call it
people
as a
from all
pan
over
India
India.
film. Okay, so there are many, cast is from many other places as well. That's why we can call it as a pan India movie as well. And Hirok, so how was the experience shooting this film? Because this is basically happening in Bangalore and basically a Kannada film. So how was it? How was the experience?
It was good. Bangalore, Bangalore weather is always in the hype, and I always wanted to come here. I was just chilling around with my friends at that time. I got a call from my friend called Bicho. He's a co-actor also. He was like, "There's an audition going on for the Kannada film, and you have to give the audition." So I was like, "Okay, I'll give it." And then I got the final call from the production house, and I was so excited to come here. And weather is so good, people are good, and I love Mysore masala dosa.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
good. Yeah, food and all, people and all, everything was so fine.
You are producing this film, and what are your expectations? Because the film, we spoke a lot about this film with the director as well as with the co-stars as well, and there is a special expectations from the producer as well. This should go and this should happen. Karke. So what is your expectation from the movie?
See, this story is itself have a lots of potential. So I just want this story to travel as much as it can. Like I am not producing in Karnataka only. So I'm trying to produce everywhere where I can be. Right? I am trying for a US also. I'm trying for Manipur also. So right now I'm just trying to place this story where people can associate with this story. Right? The film itself have a beautiful story, beautiful visuals, everything. So I don't want to lose out that point rather than just doing a commercial aspect of that.
Okay, so what is your plan? Because as we have Pan India stars and Pan India movie, so how you are going to promote, and what about the distribution factor? That is also plays a major role.
Correct. Absolutely. Likewise, you said that distribution is in plan, right? So what right now we are planning to distribute in Pan Karnataka. After that, once we get a response and everything, once people understand this kind of story, we will just move to another state. We will move to another. Like I don't know. Likewise, I said I'm just trying to get a distribution in US also. So yeah, to be honest, I just wanted to place this story where I can be, like possibly everywhere. I don't know.
Right. Okay. So the many people are now started responding to the trailer as well as for the songs as well. So how is the response?
So, like when we were shooting, so I was not expecting this much response. But to be honest, after the response and everything, we are also like, okay, now people are getting to know that this kind of films are coming, and there is a small film, independent films, which are like beautiful films. Like so, people are also changing. No? They are like they are now converting themselves for the content-based story. So this is like that. So now, like we are also accepting the fact that it is going to work.
Okay, so you have lot of expectations from the movie as well, and whatever the response is also making you happy. And tell me, Hirok, what is the one thing you came here and you learned from the Bangalore or maybe from Karnataka? What is the first thing you learned from here?
Nama Bangalore.
That is the word you heard
Yeah.
for the first time, huh? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I have few friends from Bangalore, so I'm quite familiar with the culture and all.
So far going really good, and the movie is also seems to be promising The trailer is promising, the songs are promising, especially the rap song. That is actually promising, and I wish you all the very best, guys.
Thank you.
ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಗಲಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೊಸತನವನ್ನ ತಂದು ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಐ ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ದಿ ವೆರಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್, ಗೈಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್
Thank you.
ಮುಂದೆಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಂಥ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದನೂ ಕೂಡ ಬರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಆಶಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್, ಗೈಸ್.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.